In this example of a LP12 installation, we are using a concrete ceiling.
This method applies to any ceiling type.
In all cases, 3/8-inch threaded rod is used to support the system.
How you attach the threaded rod depends on your construction situation. The LP12 weighs about 65 pounds.
Having 2 people lift it into place is recommended. Using a sheetrock lift makes it very easy.
The first thing you need to do is identify where the stylist's chair is going to be. The center of the LP12 will be installed directly over the client's head when seated in the chair.
Mark the center line on the ceiling or the floor. These are the measurements you will need to attach 4 3/8-inch threaded rod.
From the center line, measure 24 inches forward and back. Then mark 15 inches on either side. These are where you will attach the threaded rod. Your free stylists were made for a predetermined installation height.
This height is from the finished floor to the bottom of the LP12.
The bottom of the threaded rod should be your installation height plus 2 3/4 of an inch. For added rigidity, you can sandwich a piece of 1 1/4 inch PVC pipe between the mounting plate and the square washer provided. When tightened down, it will reduce possible sway of the LP12. Attach mounting plates to ceiling. Attach threaded rod. This shows how it will look attached. The LP12 was left out for clarity.
This is a cutaway view. The PVC pipe was split in half to show detail of the inside. This shows the LP12 installed. It is now ready to have the freestylist place into it. The freestylist is placed in from the top or through the light openings. Use a standard dedicated 15 or 20 amp circuit for each freestylist.
You can now place your 2 light fixtures in from the top or at an angle through the bottom.
Wire with a standard lighting circuit.
Connect the hairdryer and you are all set.
If you are installing against a drop ceiling, the installation is done in the same manner.
Remove the ceiling tiles while doing the work.
Cut them appropriately and replace them when you are finished with the installation.